guys, today we're going to be talking about explanatory writing and how important a graphic organizer is when trying to talk about explanatory writing. So I made this poster. Explanatory writing helps to explain or inform the reader on a topic. And the importance of a graphic organizer within explanatory writing is a graphic organizer organizes all the materials that you have read about, so it will help the students to be able to relay back to what they see on the graphic organizer. I have a few examples of different types of graphic organizers. This one's a good one for if you have a story because it has a beginning, middle, and end. So you always want to do like a nonfiction book when doing a graphic organizer, so it could be about something real. Another good example was essential question graphic organizer. So this one's a little bit different because we will be able to talk about different definitions and vocabulary words within the story, which relates to what you'll have to do with the graphic organizer. So it has a bunch of different bubbles, so you could do like vocabulary 1 and then talk about how that vocabulary word would relate to what you're reading about or why you think it's important within the story. I thought this one was a really cool idea too because it's kind of like a puzzle piece. So this would be good to work with like your class or like a group work, and this one is just main ideas and details. So this could also be good on a story that you're talking about yourself, so it could be like a self-related story, or you could also do it on a book or some kind of topic you know about or a how-to type of story. So you have four different details and then you have the main idea. So this one would be really good for if you had like a main idea of something and then you wanted to talk about the different details in that idea. This last one is one of my favorite ones. So this is an informative and explanatory writing plan. So for example, you would do the topic sentence. So you could do how to plant your own garden. So this would be really good for like the younger age, like kindergarten through 3rd grade, because they're really into nature and learning how to plant and do all those things. So for example, I could do how to plant a garden. And the first step would be dig a hole and get your garden seeds so you can like plant a garden with vegetables, fruits, or you could just do flowers. The second step would be to put the dirt over the seeds, and then you always have to tell them you have to water it. And then the third step would be let them get some sunlight so that your flowers or your garden can grow. And then the conclusion, they could also, like you as a student could say, this is what I think about the garden, or this is what's happening in the garden. So this is like a good way to organize all of your topics and make sure that you have everything right. So that's a lot about the graphic organizers. Thank you.